Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 12th episode, we're going to dive into the world of icebreakers and energizers that will help you create a positive and inclusive learning environment. Get ready to break the ice and energize your participants. Icebreaker activities and energizers are fantastic tools for setting a positive tone, building connections among participants, and creating an inclusive atmosphere in your workshops. Let's explore some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you as a trainer and enhance your participants' learning experience. 1. Two truths and a lie. This classic icebreaker activity involves participants sharing two true statements about themselves and one false statement. The rest of the group then guesses which statement is the lie. It's a fun way to get to know each other and encourage interaction. 2. Human bingo. Create a bingo card with different characteristics or experiences, such as has traveled to another country or speaks more than one language. Participants then mingle and try to find someone who fits each characteristic. This activity encourages communication and helps participants find commonalities. 3. Speed networking. Similar to speed dating, participants pair up and have a short amount of time to introduce themselves and share a specific topic or question. After the time is up, participants rotate and meet someone new. This activity promotes networking, communication skills, and quick thinking. 4. Name toss. Participants stand in a circle and toss a soft object, like a ball, to each other. When catching the object, the participant must say the name of the person they are throwing it to. This activity helps participants learn names and encourages active engagement. 5. Emoji check-in. Start your workshop by asking participants to share an emoji that represents how they are feeling at that moment. This simple activity allows participants to express their emotions and creates a safe space for sharing. 6. Stand up, sit down. Ask participants a series of statements or questions related to the workshop topic. If the statement applies to them, they stand up. If not, they remain seated. This activity sparks discussion, encourages active participation, and highlights the diversity of experiences within the group. 7. Word association. Begin with a random word related to the workshop topic and have participants quickly share the first word that comes to their minds. This activity stimulates creativity, activates prior knowledge, and sparks conversation. 8. Energizer. Simon Says is a classic energizer that gets participants moving and laughing. The facilitator gives commands starting with Simon Says, and participants must follow the command only if Simon Says is mentioned. This energizer helps break up the session and re-energizes participants. Remember, incorporating icebreaker activities and energizers is an effective way to create a positive and inclusive learning environment. By using activities like two truths and a lie, human bingo, speed networking, name toss, emoji check-in, stand-up sit-down, word association, and energizers like Simon Says, you'll foster connections, encourage active participation, and set the stage for an engaging workshop. Thank you for joining me as we explored creative icebreaker activities and energizers to create a positive and inclusive learning environment. Stay tuned for the next episode.